A woman sits at her desk, staring at her computer screen with a look of frustration. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Hey there, are you feeling stuck in your neural network mindset? I've got some tips to help you break through those blocks. Cut to the woman opening a notebook and grabbing a pen, ready to take notes. Main story point 1. First, it's important to recognize when you're in a mindset block. Are you feeling overwhelmed or lacking motivation? Take a moment to acknowledge these feelings without judgment. Main story point 2. Next, try changing your environment. Step away from your computer and go for a walk, or work in a different room. Sometimes a change of scenery can help spark new ideas. The woman is now back at her desk, a look of determination on her face as she resumes her work.
Hey there! Are you looking to boost your confidence and improve your self-esteem? Well, look no further because today, we are going to talk about how ChatGPT can help you consistently build yourself up. One of the key aspects of building confidence is surrounding yourself with positive and uplifting energy. ChatGPT can act as your virtual cheerleader, always there to provide encouragement and support when you need it most. Whether you're feeling unsure about a decision or just need a pick-me-up, ChatGPT is there to boost your self-esteem and remind you of your worth. Another important factor in building confidence is setting and achieving goals. ChatGPT can help you set realistic and achievable goals, breaking them down into manageable steps that will lead to success. By consistently working towards your goals with the help of ChatGPT, you'll start to see.
Hey everyone, have you ever wondered about the power of mindset in machine learning? Let's explore that together. The first key point is having a growth mindset. In machine learning, it's essential to believe that you can always learn and improve. Embracing challenges and seeing failures as opportunities for growth can lead to breakthroughs in your projects. Now, let's talk about the importance of a positive attitude. Maintaining a positive mindset while working on machine learning projects can boost creativity and problem-solving skills. By staying optimistic and focused, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. In conclusion, mindset plays a crucial role in the field of machine learning. By cultivating a growth mindset and embracing positivity, you can unleash your full potential and make incredible advancements in this exciting.
Hey there, friends! Today, I'm excited to share with you the fastest developing routine for self-driving cars that has just been revealed. One of the key components of this routine is the advanced artificial intelligence software that allows self-driving cars to make split-second decisions in complex driving scenarios. This software constantly learns and adapts to its environment, ensuring a safe and efficient driving experience. But that's not all. Another crucial aspect of this routine is the integration of cutting-edge sensors and cameras that provide real-time data and feedback to the AI system. This allows the self-driving car to accurately detect and react to obstacles, traffic signals, and pedestrians. With these advancements, self-driving cars are quickly becoming a reality on our roads, offering a glimpse into the future of transportation. So buckle up, because the journey towards fully autonomous vehicles is well underway. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the latest innovations in self-driving technology. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, welcome to your daily dose of mindfulness. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 mindful practices to transform your smart home routine and bring peace and balance into your everyday life. First up, start your day by setting a clear intention for how you want to feel. Use your smart home devices to create a calming atmosphere with soft lighting and soothing music. This will help you start the day with a sense of calm and positivity. Next, incorporate moments of mindfulness throughout your day. Use voice commands to set reminders to take breaks, stretch, or practice deep breathing. This will help you stay present and grounded amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Remember to end your day with gratitude. Use your smart home technology to journal about the things you're thankful for or play relaxing sounds to help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Incorporating mindfulness into your smart home routine can transform your daily life in amazing ways. So go ahead, take a moment to center yourself and bring more